Hello everyone, this is your yearly dose of internet.
If you eat in my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
It got so quiet in here. How did I...
What is in your mouth?
Craziest thing about being creative is this isn't the text. I printed it out.
Pass me that, cousin. There you go, bro.
This dad's daughter is in the military and wanted to wake her up. This baby discovered an infinite spawn glitch.
That's a pass you had when you was a baby in. Oh my god!
Oh my god, that is a beautiful black queen. Oh, sorry, right here. Where'd you get this from, bro?
Hey, bro, I'm not even gonna lie, you know what I'm saying, bro? You left it in the corner.
Oh, it's cold.
Sir, I'm gonna need to use some ID. Oh, never mind.
This guy waited for his brother while watching a live stream of his graduation ceremony.
Hunter Craft. Matthew Ryan.
Do you like it?
I can't see it. Birthday, dear Kimberly. Ooh.
Their friend was leaving their house when they caught this on camera. This person chose the wrong object to use as a step stool.
Oh my god!
This poor delivery driver was in for a surprise.
Want to know how hot it is in Australia? This hasn't been switched on. It's just been baking in the Aussie sun. Just goes to show. It's all metal. It's all metal. It's all metal.
What is that?
It's the raccoon.
That is not a dead raccoon.
What is it then?
That's your cat.
Oh.
She wanted to know what a hot dog scented candle smelled like. Her family surprised her and they wanted to celebrate her 21st birthday.
I can't drink it. Why? Because I'm pregnant.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
I had to watch this like 8 times to figure out what was going on.
Hold it.
Mr. Krabs.
No way. Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Hey, how you doing today?
Alter.
Avery,
But I'm pretty sure I get off early.
do the zombie scream.
Wait,
What are you? What is this?
These people came home smelling like a cat that their cat absolutely hates.
Hey guys. Dale. Dale.
Hey, look at all these wieners.
This guy put a bag of donuts on a fishing pole in front of these cops.
Chocolate.
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Sit over here. It's not that serious.
The sounds from this video sounds like a cartoon. This is a professional. Please do not attempt.
You guys are wondering, this is 150 calories. Isn't that so sad?
The suspect was running away from the police when a random guy decided to help out. The trip actually worked and allowed the police to catch up and make an arrest.
Did you fart? Because you just blew me away. Can I have your number?
You gotta check out my brand.
Oh,
Please welcome the amazing.
And as we're digging through here, we're trying to figure out what's going on here. I'm not sure if this is a sinkhole to China or what.
I think I see something.
this is USA.
These parents found out that their child has a meltdown whenever they move with them.
Do it!
This guy was absolutely flabbergasted that this guy could pull off such a low note.
Alright, we're protesting. Thank you.
What are we protesting?
We're protesting everything. We're angry and we're not going to take it anymore.
Part 2, double mom hug. Ready, meters? So I'm sick, right? Who knew that I could sound like a drill when I'm sick?
Go down the slide.
Yes, one.
Oh my god. Wow, but you're not gonna have no fucking.
Sir, you know I can find the hoppity patum. The poopity patum. You ever find the hoppity patum patum patum? Piti piti patum. Piti piti patum patum.
She had no idea that this hawk landed inside of her house.
Jesus, Chrissy! Quiet!
The streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Hey, I think your shoes are on the wrong feet.
No, not anymore.
You are not a cow. Come home. Come home, Lola. You're not a cow.
Right?
Good.
Learn about in school. Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. What'd he do?
He died for our sins. No, that was...
This poor little guy couldn't hold on. This police officer did not like how fast this biker was going. It sounds like his dog is about to charge in the battle. This teacher told a student that the only way they could get extra credit is if they walked on water. That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.